This is the story of an Amazon seller who spent $41,000 in ad spend and in exchange got $1.1 million back in ad revenue. That's a 4% ACOS. Nice and lean, extremely profitable. So a few things to note. Number one, they've been in business in general, selling to brick and mortar for about 20 years, which is a lot of staying power. In the DNA of the organization, they have patience. They're letting time do a lot of the work for them. Most Amazon sellers, in respect to time, are looking for an exit ramp in like 2 or 3 years. I think a lot of the benefits come in years 5, 10, 15, 20. I don't think Amazon businesses are a 2 to 3 to 5 year thing. I don't think that's the right time horizon for these things. Ultimately, what Amazon wants is customer satisfaction. So if you're delivering that, you'll be a durable player on the platform. There's no need for black hat stuff. Just play the game, play it right, and play it for longer than anybody else.